How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is the KMIOC leather gun belt. It's extra thick so it can handle all the weight that you hang off of here. This is my current belt. If you compare the two, this thing is huge and heavy duty. Comes in a box. Their service is for a lifetime. My waist is around 31 and this belt is 39.5 inches long. This thinner belt that's not meant to carry any weight is 38 inches long. So pretty close in length. This belt is nearly 1/4 inches thick, whereas your typical belts are around 0.14 inches thick. So a good 0.1 inches thicker. Just the belt by itself weighs 9.6 ounces, whereas the more flimsy version weighs 5 ounces. Very heavy duty, and they guarantee their stitching in case it comes loose. Looking on the inside, these are real genuine leather. Peeking into the hole, you can see what's inside the leather. Counterclockwise, it's almost ridiculous how thick this is. I'll just hang a drill with this hook on it and see how it does. And I got a saw on this side, just kind of even things out. You probably shouldn't jump too much on this. If it can hold tools, it probably can hold guns. Where did you get that really nice thick belt? If you guys are interested in this gun belt, check out my affiliate link down in the video description below.